master, a good one, a loving one, a compassionate one. It's you. You have no confidence, no faith in yourself. You understand what I mean? It's you. Look at yourself. If you think you deserve a living master, then you know me. If you don't, God can't help you. Buddha can't help you. You'll be transmigrated again and again and again, and it's nobody's fault. You got it? I have to tell you all this, so you have at least a little glimpse of what I have to work with every day in order to help you and anybody else who come for help. But make sure you really want my help. Make sure you want it. I can die for you, but make sure you want it. Make sure you really want to know your greatness. Make sure you really want to know God. Then I could die for you. But don't hang around. Don't hang around. Taking the place, the precious place of everybody else who had to sit in the corridor in the cold for you, just because you want to sit here near me and criticize and spreading dust around in the environment and making everybody else regressing in their spiritual practice. You understand me? I tell you, I could die for you, and I meant it. This life of the physical body, doesn't matter how good it looked to you, means nothing to me, absolutely, if it comes to your liberation and your happiness. I swear to God I would die for you anytime if you truly need it. I'm more than dying for you every day. I tell you, the death of the body is no suffering. It is a mental anguish that you impose upon me. It is more than death. Do you understand that? I don't mean to complain to you. I must tell you the truth so that you wake up. Wake up now before it's too late. I'm anguished. I'm suffering because I know your trouble. I can't help. I want you to be happy, but you always make trouble for yourself and make me suffer for nothing. If you see any fault in my teaching at all, if I ever teach you anything bad, harmful to yourself and to mankind, leave me immediately. But don't have to hang around. I never bind anybody. I never say you must stay with me forever. Did I? So if you stay, make sure you know what you want. What you want. Because I know what I want. I only want to help you unconditionally. Whether you help me or not help me to help other people, it's your business. The more you help, the more your love expands, and the more higher level of your consciousness. That's all. It's good for you. Otherwise, you cannot damage me anything. Money I can always earn. Reputation, well, mine is already bad and good, up and down. It depends on who looks at me. Depends on whether that's a dog look at me or it's a cat look at me. Or is it a human being look at me? Or is it an angel who looks at me? Buddha looks at me. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. That's good for spiritual. That's the same for spiritual understanding also. If you're beautiful inside, you see me beautiful. If you're high level, you know I'm high. If you're not, doesn't matter how much I advertise for myself, it's no good. I have my frustration, my disappointment too, because people always make trouble for me. The Maya, who works through you, who works through the people, People degraded me. People, all kind of misunderstanding, throw all dirt on me, even when I wanted to help them. But I can't explain to everybody. I can't go out and sell myself, say, look, I'm very good. Well, if you think I'm good, you must do it. Even if I want to go and sell myself to everybody, despite all the honor and forget all my dignity, I can do that, but I can't go to everyone and tell them. You are the one who must do it. If you believe it's good, you must say it. You must have the courage of a mighty soul to say what is truth, whether you die for it or you will live with it. If you are a coward, if you are a hesitating person, who can help you? And who will help me? If you have helped me, we could have conquered the world in these 10 years. But never mind. As long as you help yourself, that's all I want. Even if you don't help me, you must know what you want for me. Then I can give you accordingly. Only when you know what you want and ask for it, then I can give. Even a good thing, you can't force it on people. Huh? So I have obstacles everywhere. Not only from outside people, but from inside. Do you think the people who write the articles bad about me, or those so-called outside people who think bad about me, they are bad? No. They're just as half bad as you, some of you. Because even you don't write article to tell me that I'm bad. You don't say anything to anybody. But inside, you are bombarding me with your trouble, with your doubt, with your, I would say, degrading attitude and mental thinking. It's the same thing. It's even worse. Because now you have the connection with me. So everything you think, you do, affects me a great deal. Outside people, I can just shut it. I don't have to listen. Therefore, sometimes the people are very bad, but I don't even know. I keep telling, wow, they're so pure, they're beautiful. Until later, everybody report to me differently. I don't even know. I'm very innocent. Because I don't have to listen to all this garbage if I don't want to. I can shut, lock it. But to you, I can't. I have promised you. I guard you day and night, inside. So I have always leave my telephone open. So whatever good or bad you send to me, I know it so well. You know what I mean? I can't shut my door to you because of my love, my promise. But don't do that all the time. You kill me. And when you finish with your repentance, I'm gone.